there are thousands of people out there that want to go tiny. And I think it's really important for people to be very vocal about that. How will home builders and municipalities know that there's a demand for smaller homes unless people are saying, I want a smaller home? I will drive by an area where you can see that there's a new subdivision coming. It's like homes starting in the low 900s. Well, no, that's not for me. I would love to see a tiny home community in every single municipality. A tiny home community can take up to 1 to 2 lots that a traditional home would take, but you can put on several. Depending on the density, you could have 10, you could have 30 tiny homes. Well, that's 10 to 30 people that now have a home. We have strides to go, and there's so many different positive ways we could do this that I really hope that we can.